बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम। रब्बे ज़िदनी इल्मा। Dear friends, today I have come up with a new topic. When I was thinking about this new video, and especially when I thought about the new idea, so I thought that I should discuss the topic that is very important for each of us. Dear friends, have you ever thought that why sometimes you are very much sad and unhappy? Why you are very much depressed sometimes? Why it happens that when you meet someone, still you are not happy? When you are going to do something, still you are not very much excited? Why does it happen? This all happens because of four hormones. This is what I am going to talk about today. First, let me talk about what a hormone is. A hormone is a chemical messenger. A hormone is a chemical messenger that travels in our bloodstream to our organs and tissues. They regulate many functions in our body, including our physical functioning to our emotional well-being. They affect in many processes in our body, like development and you can say construction of our body, and also metabolism and mood as well. Now we are going to talk about the four happy hormones. Yes, this is our main topic. Now, these four hormones include dopamine, serotonin, endorphins, and oxytocin. Now, dopamine. Now, our first hormone is dopamine. Dopamine basically it's a chemical. It's a hormone that is released by our brain when we feel achievement or success in doing something. Actually, it's primarily a driver, that is the brain's reward system. You know that when you help someone, so you feel very much excited, you feel very much good and relaxed. Why do you feel that? This is just because of the surge of dopamine in your brain. And if you have low levels of dopamine, so what happens to you? You feel less excited. You are not very much, you can say, happy when you do something positive. Yes, if you have right amount of dopamine, so what happens? That you have the sense of achievement in your body, in your brain. Actually, every task, any task that gives you a sense of productivity is because of the sense of, yeah, because of the right amount of dopamine in your brain, and it makes you feel pleasure, satisfaction, and motivation. Yes, it also has a key role in your body to control concentration, memory, sleep, mood, and body movements. Now, friends, what are the natural dopamine boosters? How can we boost dopamine naturally or by some physical task? You know, friends, when you exercise daily, so level of dopamine increases in your body. When you do yoga, when you do some meditation, or when you do some acts of kindness and volunteering tasks, so dopamine levels increases in your body. Yes, at the same time, when you worship your God and when you think about the achievements you have got in your past, it also increases the dopamine level in your body. Now, friends, we talk about our second happy hormone, and that is serotonin. You know that serotonin is also called mood stabilizer and antidepressant. The most important role of this hormone is to remove or decrease level of anxiety and depression in your body. What does it do? It helps you it helps you to maintain happiness in your body and brain. And it also helps with sleeping, healing and digesting. Now, what are the natural serotonin boosters? The first one is exposure to sunlight. Yes, exposure to sunlight may help your mood. That is why light therapy is recommended for treating the seasonal depressions. And now we talk about exercise. I think most of you do exercise daily, but you never think about the purpose of increasing this hormone in your body. Now just think that you can increase the amount of serotonin in your body while you take exercise daily. It has mood boosting effects. It also removes different types of diseases in your body as well. You already know that. Yes, the third thing is to have balanced diet. If you follow a balanced diet, it lowers the risk of many health problems. It also increases the amount and the level of serotonin in your body. And the last but the very important thing is meditation. Dear friends, when I was working on this topic, when I was researching, so I found that meditations helps a lot in removing all the problems of our, you can say that our spiritual health as well as our physical and mental health. Because when you do meditation, so you feel peace, anxiety, and depression are removed from your thoughts, are removed from your brains. And at the same time, the four happy hormones levels are very much increased. So I suggest you to do meditation daily. Make it the part of your daily routine. Dear friends, today I have talked about two happy hormones and I hope that you will like it very much. And please don't forget to watch this video and like and subscribe. Yes, in my next video, I will talk about two more happy hormones that affect our lives very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.